Creating department-based support dashboards is a great way to track performance across different teams and make data-driven decisions. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up your own dashboards quickly and efficiently. No fluff, just actionable steps. We'll be using a simple software that helps you integrate data from multiple departments into one central view, giving you a comprehensive look at each team's performance. But before we get started, if you want to follow along with the same software I'm using, check out the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's only available to my viewers. Let's dive in. First, you want to identify the key metrics you want to track for each department. For support teams, this could include response time, resolution time, and customer satisfaction scores. Make a list of these metrics so that you have clear goals for each department's dashboard. Next, you'll need to import the data. With the software, you can connect your support platform and sync the data with the dashboard tool. This might involve logging into the support tool, selecting the metrics, and then pulling the relevant data into your dashboard. Once you've connected your data, it's time to organize it by department. For each department, like sales, technical support, or customer service, you'll want a separate section within your dashboard. To do this, set up filters or segments in your software that allow you to view only the data for the specific department. This will give you a clear, department-specific breakdown. Now, let's talk about visualization. For each department's data, you'll want to create charts or graphs that make the information easy to digest. For example, bar charts work great for showing resolution times, while line graphs can show trends over time. You'll want to keep things simple though. Too many metrics on one chart can be overwhelming. Make sure each dashboard is clean and highlights the most important data for that department. Once the data is organized and visualized, it's time to customize alerts. Set up notifications within the software so you get a heads up when metrics exceed or fall below your set thresholds. This is especially helpful for tracking customer support issues, where you want to respond quickly if performance drops. The next step is to share the dashboards with the right people. Ensure that each department head has access to their respective dashboard and that they can easily view the data that's relevant to their team. You can also set up automated reports that get sent to stakeholders, so they're always in the loop. Finally, make sure to review and iterate on your dashboards regularly. Department goals change, and your metrics might need adjustment. By checking in periodically, you ensure that the dashboards stay relevant and continue to drive the right actions. Key takeaway: creating department-based support dashboards allows you to track and visualize key metrics for each team, improving decision-making and accountability. Organize your data, visualize it clearly, set up alerts, and share it with the right people to make sure your dashboards work for you. Quick revision. 1. Identify your key metrics. 2. Import and organize the data by department. 3. Visualize the data with simple charts. 4. Set up notifications for key alerts. And 5. Share dashboards with relevant team members. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial link in the description below to try out the software we used in this video. Thanks for watching.